Hi there, I'm Luke.
And I'm Sarah.
If you want to keep your brand new Galaxy protected, make sure to get Samsung Care Plus.
Here's what you need to know. It keeps your device covered in case of cracks, drops or spills. Damaged screen? No problem.
With repairs by Samsung certified technicians using genuine parts, you're in safe hands.
We offer easy and affordable battery replacement, giving you one more reason to sign up.
Thanks to our broad repair network, you can easily enjoy the benefits whether at home or abroad. With Samsung Care Plus, filing for a service request is pretty straightforward. You can easily do it online or just walk in at any authorised service centre. Once you confirm your registration, you're good to go.
Most importantly, you don't need to keep your plans on hold due to repair. Samsung Care Plus repairs your device as soon as possible.
Pick the coverage that fits your needs with monthly or upfront payments.
Count on Samsung Care Plus for reliable repairs and quick services.
And keep your Galaxy device safe.